What's up, runners? Welcome to Aiyo Running. My name is Veronica. I'll be your coach today. And today's workout, we have a fartlek run. One of my favorites. This is a beginner workout, so if this is the first time you've done a fartlek, don't worry, I got you. It's going to be fun. Let's get started with that warm-up. I want you at a brisk walking pace, so anywhere from 2.5 to 4.5. We're going to get started here. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So as we're warming up the body, I'm going to explain to you a little bit more about what we're doing if you've never done fartlek before. So you're going to have 6 runs during this workout. We're going to call them pushes because you're going to really try to push that speed, really trying to build up your stamina here. During our recoveries, you're going to keep running. So make sure those shoelaces are tied because once we get started, we're going to keep rolling today. So like I said, 6 runs, 6 recoveries, and then we end our workout. So it's going to go really quick. I want you to take advantage of every push that we do. Really go hard. I'll be telling you the different speeds. So make sure you look on your treadmill, know where all your speeds are. If you want to, it feels a little bit more natural to do your runs on a little bit of an incline, so put it up to 0.5 or 1.0. We're going to pick up that speed a little bit more in this warm-up in 10 seconds, anywhere from a 5 to a 7. All right, take a deep breath in, slow exhale. We're going to get rolling here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Hit that pace anywhere from a 5 to a 6. We're here for 2 minutes. During this warm-up run here, I want you to check your form, set yourself up, because like I said, once we start running, once we start doing those pushes, we're not stopping. It's go time. So for these fartleks, like I said, this is a beginner one. We're doing it in a pyramid format. So you have 6 runs. The first one's at 30. You're going to bump it up then to a minute. You're going to hit that peak at 130, another 130, and then come back down on that pyramid. So that peak is going to be in the middle. You're going to have that turning point in the middle, and then you're going to fly down towards that finish line, and you're going to hit it really strong at the end. Let's get excited about it. Nice deep breath in, slow exhale. Let's check that form, right? Pick your body up. Be nice and tall, right? We don't want to hunch over. We want to keep that chest open. Shoulders back. Good. And let's relax those arms. Drop those shoulders down. Driving our elbows forward and back. Beautiful. Let's make sure we're pushing through the treadmill, right? That treadmill moves whether you're running on it or not, but you're here to get stronger. You're here to improve yourself. So I want you pushing down hard into that treadmill and propelling your body forward with each step. All right, here we go. At any point in the workout, if you need to check what speed you should be at, feel free and look over here on my right. You'll see all the different speeds. You'll see the timer. Don't worry about the timer though, because I got you. All right, our first run is gonna be anywhere between a 6 and a 7. That's up to you to pick what you wanna do for that speed. You wanna start on the lower end and at the end of the workout hit the higher end? That's totally fine. I love running that way. All right, first one starting in 15 seconds here. It's 30 seconds. All right, you could do that. Anywhere from that 6 to a 7 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, runners. Come on. 30 seconds. Pick those feet up. Drive your knees right here. You got it. First one. Let's find that rhythm. Find your cadence. Settle into your run here. That's beautiful. There we go. All right, you got 10 seconds left. And then you're going to bring it right back down to that recovery, anywhere between that 5 and 6. 3, 2, 1. Take it on off. 5 to 6. Here we go. You're here for 1 minute. All right, I want to keep you running though, right? Try not to walk. Don't hold on to your handlebars or the side. You don't need them. You're strong. Keep that body upright. There we go. I want to keep you running because I want to keep that heart rate up. I want to help you step into or run into that next push. All right, with each push, I want you to try to go a little bit faster. So this next one's going up by 0.2. All right, so 6.2 to 7.2, anywhere in that range you want to hit, that's where I want you. All right, this one we're also increasing that time. Remember, it's a pyramid format. So you're going to be here for 1 minute. All right, if you need some water, grab a quick sip now. You got 15 more seconds here. There we go, runners. These are the workouts I love to do. I like to really push my limits and go hard. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 6.2 to 7.2. 60 seconds here. Let's go, runners. That's awesome. I was a sprinter. I like running fast. I like having these shorter intervals. Really trying to challenge myself for that short amount of time, take advantage of that opportunity that I have in front of me, because I know that recovery is coming. All right, and during that recovery time, it's plenty of time for your body to prepare for the next run. All right, so don't feel like you need to go slower just because you know you have more pushes coming. Focus on just this one in front of you. Come on, less than 30 seconds here. That's it. The harder you go now, the better you're gonna feel at the end of this workout. All right, and I want you smiling at the end of this workout. I want you feeling good. I want you proud. 10 seconds, runners, come on. There we go. Right here, you got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it off, 5 to 6. There we go. Again, you're here for that minute. Excellent, 2 down, 4 to go. Feeling good? All right, because you're at that peak now. Our next run is going for 1:30. Continuing with that same trend with our speed. I want you to hit that speed a little bit faster this time. All right, we're going up 0.2 again. So this will be anywhere from that 6.4 to 7.4. All right, runners. Good, you got less than 30 seconds. You need a sip of water. Always feel free to grab that water. You're feeling good in this recovery. Keep taking some deep breaths. Get ready to step into that next run. 1:30, here's our peak. All right, this is the one. This is our turning point here at the top. 10 seconds. I want you to really go. This will be your fastest run here. All right, here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it. Let's go. Pick it up. Pick it up right here. 1:30. Don't look at that clock. Don't look at that speed. Look straight ahead. Right? We want to keep that good form that we had in our warm-up. Recheck yourself if you need to. Running is all about form. A lot of times people think you just run, right? No, running is a very active movement. And I don't mean active as in, oh, we're being active and we're working out. I mean every position, every swing of the arm, every push of the leg should be an active movement in your mind. So you are pushing your foot into the treadmill, into the ground. You are driving that elbow back. All right, you are keeping your chest up. You are picking your feet up, cycling it underneath your hips. All right, remember, I push down, I cycle under. I don't want to kick back behind me. Here we go, runners. Be active in your run. There we go. Keep that breathing even. And you got 30 more seconds. This is that turning point. Let's go. Let's go. This is where you start to love it. This is where you start to push it. Come on. All the way to that finish. All the way. You got 15 more seconds and you got that recovery run, right? So don't be scared if you're breathing heavy. That's what fartleks are about. Pushing that limit. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it back down to that recovery, 5 to 6. There we go. This is the time where you really catch that breath. All right, take that recovery. 3 down, 3 to go. You're halfway. All right, like I said, this is our peak. You're repeating that 1:30. All right? I want you to go really hard because this is that turning point in our workout. All right, you're keeping that same speed that you were just at. So anywhere from that 6.4 to 7.4, I want you in that range, wherever you just were, or faster. All right? Because like I said, it's go time now, right? Second half of the workout. This is where we really fly. All right? Good, come on. You got this. 15 seconds, and you're going to push number 4. Let's see it, Ibex. There we go. Nice big deep breath in. One last one, slow exhale. 6.4 to 7.4. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Let's hit it. Come on. 1.5 minutes. This is that longest run. You did it once. You can do it again. Are you at that same speed? Or are you giving me a little bit more? You always got a little bit more in you. That's what I'm saying. You always got a few more runs in you. You always got a little bit more speed in you. A little bit more of a push. All right. This run, number 4. Come on. Let's work through it here together. 30 seconds down, 60 to go. There it is. Check that form. If you're starting to feel the fatigue, the first thing that falls apart is your form. And the best thing to keep your speed is your form. All right, so let's hold it here. Stay strong with it. That's it, runners. Oh yeah. It feels good to go fast sometimes, right? Just let it loose. Run. Come on here. Let's go, 30 seconds. You know that recovery's coming. So what are you doing? Fighting all the way. Come on. This is it. This is your hardest run right here. 15 seconds. Fartlek really tests you. It pushes your stamina. It challenges you. So if you're feeling that challenge good, that means you're doing it right. Come on, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down 5 to 6. There it is. Come on, 2 more runners. Let's go. This is where it's gonna start to feel a little bit easier because that time's coming down. That speed's coming down with it. So this next one, 6.2 to 7.2. Taking it down 0.2, you still feel good. I want you to stay on that high end of that. Hit that 7.2 with me. All right, here we go. Catch your breath here. That's it. We're gonna step into that next one in 30 seconds here. Here we go. This is where you really start to feel good. You can really push yourself hard. Squeeze the glutes, squeeze that booty, and propel your body forward on that hard push. All right? It's gonna really help you with that stride. 15 seconds here. Let's go. 6.2 to 7.2. One more nice big deep breath in. Slow exhale. We're hitting it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on, pick it up here. You know it's 60 seconds. It's gonna go super quick. Don't look at that time. Feel your form, find your rhythm. Hit that treadmill. Be active with that movement. Push your foot down. Swing that heel through. There we go. Relax that upper body. My upper body smooth. You know the lower body's gonna be smooth and cycle with it. Come on. Let's go. Are you at that top end? Top end of that. If you're not and you feel good, hit that plus button. Come on. Right here. There's nothing to be scared about when your heart's racing or when you're pushing that limit. That's excitement. That's not fear. 15 seconds. Yes. Let's go, runners. 10. Come on. All the way to the end with me. You know that recovery's coming. Right here, you got 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it off, 5 to 6. There we go. Runners, this is your moment. Last run, last push, last hard push here, right? 30 seconds. It's gonna go super fast. All right? That time's coming down with it. 6 to 7. If you are feeling that runner's high right now, you are feeling so good, I want you at that 7. All right, why not? You know how quick 30 seconds is gonna go. All right, here we go. Nice deep breath in. Slow exhale. Come on, one more hard push. We recover, you cool down, and you completed it. All right, that beginner fartlek run. Here we go. 15 seconds. If you need a quick swig of water, grab it. Whatever you need to motivate yourself to be all in on this last 30 seconds here. I'm excited. Let's get excited, runners. Come on. Here we go. 6 to 7 in 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it. 30 seconds. Come on. Pick those feet up. Let's go. Nice and tall. Head level. Keep it straight. Run with me here. There you go. Push it. Push it with me. I know those legs are feeling heavy. Pick them up. Fight it. Here we go, runners. You got 10 seconds. Let's finish this together. All the way. Don't touch that speed yet. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Take it off. 5 to 6. There we go. Finish this recovery run. Don't walk yet. All right. You need the 60 seconds here. Awesome job, runners. 6 pushes. Giving me that pyramid. Speeding yourself up, hitting that high end wherever you were at in this workout. You did a phenomenal job because you completed it. You did it. Good. Continue taking those deep breaths in. Let's let that heart rate come down. Nice and slow, runners. That was beautiful. You got another 30 seconds here before we hit that brisk walk. Here we go. Told you, they go quick, right? You really want to take advantage of every opportunity you have to go hard, to push yourself. Because those limitations, they're not actually there. You put them there, all right? So know that when you have these quick, fast runs like this, you gotta release those limitations, all right? You gotta let it go. We're gonna walk 2.5 to 4.0 in 3, 2, 1, take it off. There we go. I want you here for another minute. Good, if you're still breathing heavy, you need to open up that chest. You can put your hands on your head or hands on your hips. Just keep it nice and open here. Keep breathing in through your nose and slowly, slowly exhale. All right, a lot of times people try to breathe in super fast and exhale out super fast. Slow it down. There you go. You feeling that runner's high now? Yeah, buddy, it feels good. Here we go. We got another 30 seconds here. That was a beautiful run. Thank you so much for joining me in this workout. I'm sweating from that. Hope you guys are sweating and you're feeling good. That's what it's all about. Those quick bursts of energy. It really brings out that runner's high. It's really pushing your limits. It's building that stamina. That's what we're trying to do here. 10 more seconds. Awesome job. Oh, here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. If you want to keep walking, please feel free to keep that cool down going. Otherwise, feel free to hit that stop button. Awesome job, Ibex runners. I had so much fun with you. Thank you for coming out running with me. I'll see you next time on Ibex Running.